How to check the Valorant store on mobile. I'm going to show you how or if it's possible to check your Valorant store on mobile. Currently, Riot Games does not allow an official way to check the Valorant in-game store from a mobile device. However, there's a workaround to see your store's daily offers. Using third-party websites, you can check your Valorant store on mobile by following these simple steps. One is valorantstore.net or nightmarket.shop. It was known as a trusted third-party site. You may then log into your Riot Games account. Just make sure that it is secure. The website will display your current store rotation and any active night market deals. If you don't want to use a third-party site, you'll need to log into a computer, and that's until Riot adds an official mobile store. This is the best way to check the Valorant store on your mobile device.